Good day, traders. So today I'm going to be trading the USD Swiss franc, and I'm on a buy trade for it. And the purpose why I entered buy for this particular trade is because if you go to the daily time frame, this is an entry based on supply and demand zone. Now the demand zone is where buyers come in, and the supply zone is where sellers come in. And if you see right here, there's a demand zone where buyers come in, rally base rally, demand zone. So I'm just going to mark this zone. This is actually the right way to enter a demand zone. To confirm that the demand zone is really going to pull the price up. So I'm just going to highlight the demand zone. I'll change to candlestick and I'll mark the end of the demand zone. Okay, after you mark the end of the demand zone, then inside the demand zone, I'm going to look for entries in the demand zone, and the entry that we're looking for is engulfing or the hammer, but mostly I prefer using the hammer. So I'm just going to change to 4 hours, which is the lower time frame. This is a daily time frame. We saw the demand zone is daily time frame, so I'm just going to go 1 hour backward, which is 4 hours, and here is it. There is a hammer. Right here. So since there is a hammer right here, meaning that price has power to pull the market has the power to pull the price up. So what I'm just going to do is to enter buy here, which I already did, a couple of buys. Then I'm just going to put my stop loss below the wick of this hammer, and for take profits, so I'm just going to reduce my area now. So this will be my entry area right now. The reason why you have to go to smaller time frame for confirmation is just to reduce your stop loss and increase your take profits to balance to have a good risk reward ratio. So 4 hours. So we have this. So for take profit now, I'm just going to go over to the line chart and look for the next peak. Okay, we got one here for 4 hours. The next peak will be here, so that will be our supposed take profit. You can see there is a peak right here, but this one is lower, so that will be our take profit. So I'm just going to put a line there. Although I placed it below, I like placing my take profit below, not exactly where I am to take the take profit. I like taking it below, so my take profit can actually be hit even though I'm not watching the chart. So I'm going to change to candlestick now, and just going to pull this right here so you actually see. So you can see the risk reward ratio is actually about 1-to-1 ratio, but if you get to the actual take profit, is more than 1.5 risk reward ratio. So I'm going to be watching this trade, and hopefully it gets to our take profit, and I'll see you when it gets to our take profit. And let's watch the trade. All right. Again, the result is out. I just set mine break even. So you can see the main confirmation was a hammer. You can see my confirmation right here was a hammer. A hammer is actually different from a doji, and this one is a green hammer because it was a buy. So for buy you look for green hammer, and for sell you look for red hammer that is opposite. Good. For the hammer, don't get confused with the doji. The doji does not have a body, but the hammer has a body. You can see. So if you see this type of hammer upside down red, just like this one, just follow the same instruction. Change to line chart. You look for the current demand area. You look for a demand area. I usually prefer the current one. You can see that this is a rally based rally. There is no other demand area right here, so it's more like the first demand area that price gets to. So inside the demand area, you go to the smaller time frame, which is the 4 hours, and you look for confirmation, and the confirmation are usually engulfing. For buy, you look for bullish engulfing or this green hammer that has body. So when you look for it, you place your buy, you set your stop loss below the wick of the hammer, and then you take profit at the next peak. You can look at the side. There is a zone here, so I just take my take profit right there. So I'm just going to remove my take profit because price might still want to push up, and I'll just let it run, and I'll be trailing the price. Thank you.